Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm going to be taking you through my over 35 makeup routine. So I am 38, just turned 38 this year, and I wanted to show you kind of my quick routine and how you can achieve a flawless look as your skin is aging. So as you can see, I prime my skin with two different primers because I'm extra. I will leave everything that I've used in this video down below. And here I'm using my Saint makeup. So if you don't know anything about Saint, it is a one compact system. It is 100% customizable, and it is cream makeup. So one benefit to cream makeup is it works really, really well with dry skin, but it also works well with maturing skin. As we get older, our skin tends to dry out a little bit more, and we start getting those fine lines and wrinkles, and Saint makeup does not settle in those fine lines and wrinkles. It helps give a youthful, more glowing appearance. And one thing that I love about it for my dry skin is it almost creates a barrier to kind of help protect it. And my skincare that I use under it, it kind of helps keep that in, so it keeps the moisture. So my skin actually looks and feels better when I'm using the Saint makeup as compared to even when I don't do my makeup. If I don't do my makeup and I do my normal skincare routine, my skin is actually more dry than on the days when I do my Saint makeup. It is absolutely wonderful. But you can see here, I'm achieving that flawless, youthful look. It's kind of like a glow within look. And you can definitely mattify this as well. If you have oily skin and you're looking at this video going, oh my gosh, what the heck? She looks like a disco ball. That is way too greasy for me. You can set it with our Saint setting powder. You can also set it with any loose powder. So it does not have to be glowy like this. You can get a mattifying look and still get the benefits of the Saint makeup and that radiance from within. So I'm going and doing my eye makeup look. I'm using the Senegence eyeshadows, or eye scents, I believe they're called. Like I said, I'll link everything below. I love them because they don't crease. They're great for buffing out. So if you're not a makeup pro like me and you have problems buffing out your eyeshadow, it's dummy proof. They are amazing. Then I'm going in and I'm prepping my eyebrows. I just did a video on a men's beard dye where I dyed my eyebrows, and I absolutely love them. So it has saved a step in my routine. But if you're still filling in your eyebrows, I feel for you. Definitely check out the men's beard dye because it is amazing. So I'm tight lining my eyes. I like this because it kind of opens up my eyes a little bit more. I'm only tight lining the top of my lashes. I don't do anything on my bottom lashes. And then I'm going in with my favorite mascara. This is the new Tarte tubing mascara. So I love it because I like big, bold, thick looking lashes, and this gives me the length that I need. It separates, but I can also build it up to be volumized. So you can actually see my lashes. They're basically translucent, and you can see here, I'm just working that mascara in, and you'll see at the end that they are big, bold, and flawless looking. So if you are a DIY lash girl like me, definitely check out the tubing mascara by Tarte because I think it's amazing. Then I'm going in and I'm just cleaning up that eye area to make sure that I don't have it dragged down, and that's it. Flawless, over 35 makeup routine.